Leyva uses his extension. Rail first.
Kailangan niya kargahan ng konting lakas to, ha?
Inside.
There you go.
Yan.
Perfectly done. And suddenly, just like that,
Off the side rail, watch out for the traffic. Ayun. Naiwasan yung 8. And it's an anyone can win series.
alam mo yung concept ng predictability is gone.
Ay, wala
in
talaga.
every single day.
Gonna play this off the long rail. Maki's gonna use some check side on this. Ay, talagang binagalan lang. They missed this. It's like giving the rack to Quezon City.
Perfectly done.
To cut it down to 1. One rack advantage na lamang. That's 4 in a row.